Hello everybody, Zolai learners on my YouTube and my Facebook. I want to ask you a question, that is, how do you feel to learning Zolai? Is it too difficult for you? I just want to say something about the lessons that I uploaded on my YouTube and Facebook. The Zolai lessons, the Zogam lessons, those are mostly for Zomi. The way I taught is the way I learned, the way I was taught. The way I taught you is for the ones who has the speaking ability, the one who can speak. So for a non-native speaker, I think the lessons will be challenging. It's just my opinion. I want to know your opinion. How do you feel when you learn Zola with the lessons that I uploaded? Why and what improvement should I make? Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.